Here's a quick video on how to safely change the razor blade in your Lenox Gold folding utility knife. All you'll need to do this is your knife and a new razor blade. Lately I've been using these Milwaukee ones. They seem like they keep a sharp edge and they keep it longer than the other brands I've been using. So I'll have a link for the folding utility knife and the razor blade in the description below if you want to buy them. First thing you need to do, take your utility knife and you're going to open it all the way up just by pulling it. Now you'll notice that when it's open, you can't shut this thing by just pulling back and forth on it. To shut this thing, you actually have to stick your thumb here on this little indentation, push in to release this back little safety here. Now you can fold it back in. So with your knife open, you'll also notice that you can't push this button to release the razor blade. It's jammed in. So what you'll need to do is fold this knife into about a 45-degree angle by pushing this here and folding it this way. Now with it pushed like that, you can push this button here and you can pull out your old razor blade. Now take your new razor blade and line it up with a little groove here. Slide it in. Now you're going to push the button to fully seat it back all the way in. Now once it's in, you can give it a couple tugs. It's not going anywhere. Open it up to use it. And to close it, you want to push this button, fold it all the way shut, and you're good to go. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.